Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will sharing with you that how to fix your data connection on your TikTok account. First of all, we have to go on your settings. Here we can see this option. Now we have to select the apps and notifications. We can see this option. Now we have to go see all apps. We can see this option. Type here simply TikTok. Open it. We can see this option. Now we have to go storage and cache. Here we clear the cache. After doing this, now we have to back screen. Now we follow the second method. We open the settings. Now we have to go network and internet. If you are connected on your Wi-Fi, please 2 and 3 times open and off. If you are still facing problem, we have to go on airplane. Please open it. After doing this, we have to open your data connection. Doing this, you open your TikTok account. I hope that after doing this your problem will be fixed. If my video proof is helpful for you, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, please tell me in comment section. Thanks for watching my content.